Okay, before we play this game, there are a couple of key things everyone needs to know so that no one gets frustrated or angry or unhappy. First of which, it's highlighted right here. Each of these boxes is a person's home in the game. That's why they're going to type their name here and the type of person they are. So if I type my name here, that means this is my box. And you are not okay. It's not okay to go into someone else's house or someone else's box and take their materials. Please be very careful with that. It's not okay. Next is how to quickly copy, paste, drag and drop, and change the outline of items. So hopefully everyone knows that if you click on an image and hold down Control C and then Control V, every time you hit V, you make multiple copies of an item. So let's say that the instructions say to make 10 copies of wheat. You would hit the button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. The reason you have to do it 5 times is that you should not take the original image out of this box because eventually, everyone needs wheat or everyone needs a certain amount of items. The next step is to move all 5 of my wheat to my house or my box. And the way you're going to do that instead of doing it one at a time is by holding the control key. So you hold down the control key and you click on all the images you want to move. What that does is it clicks all of them and groups them together. So you only have to hold it and move them all together. They're all now in one thing. If you want to get rid of that, push the escape key or click somewhere else. Now you can drag each one separately. Now, at a certain point in the game, some of you are going to have to change the outline of a particular item to a different color. So that means instead of this outline being black, or really it would be these, from being black, you're going to make them a different color. So the way you do that is you click on whatever you want to change, and then you click the pen and click the required color. Now you could do that individually for every single item, but again, that will take longer than the timer allows. So hold down the control key, click all the items that you want to change, then click the pen, then click the outline. If someone explicitly asks you for help, if they specifically say, Joseph, please help me change all the outlines of my items, then you may help someone with their stuff. But please don't just take it upon yourself to assist someone. Maybe they don't want your help. Maybe they want to figure it out for themselves. Sometimes our best intentions actually diminish other people. So please ask. Ask if it's okay if you trade one wheat for one medicine, and if it's okay if you get the wheat out of their house. Please ask if they want help copying and pasting their items. Please ask. All right, everyone, let's follow the rules and let's have fun.